My name is Elhad Assoumani. I'm a member of CARPS Jeunesse Comoros. So, for a country to ensure sustainable consumption and production, stability is important, followed by a process of development. Every year, the United Nations and other international and humanitarian organizations allocate a lot of money for conflict prevention and peace building in the world. But today, we found that these programs don't meet the reality of our poor countries. Many young people finish university without a hope of employment. Due to that, many trafficking organizations, prostitution, and other terrorist groups take this as an opportunity to recruit young and women. However, we, African youth, appreciate all the endeavors that United Nations continue to implement to stop their unlawful acts. Finally, what the youth of the world in general and Comoros in particular need to eradicate poverty and achieve sustainable consumption and production is: first, the government must solve the problems of water, energy, and the protection of the environment. Second, investing on job creation for young people. Third, sending people to create small and medium enterprises. And then, training people in conflict resolution mechanisms and peace building. Thank you.